Welcome everybody to Cancun here on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. It's almost 30 degrees Celsius, an incredible day. This is a really amazing place, not only because it's really easy to get a visa. I arrived to the airport yesterday and I immediately got 6 months tourist visa. Just went to the airport, got a stamp in the passport, and they said, "Welcome to Mexico." Cancun is one of the most eastern points of Mexico, located on the Yucatan Peninsula. It has a population of 945,000 people and is a very popular tourist destination. I'm really happy that I came to Mexico actually. I'm already getting a bit sunburned. I've been here for like 20 minutes and I had to put my shirt on. But it's such a great place and it's cheap here and I can stay here for probably as long as I want. Cancun has a tropical climate with an average temperature of 27 degrees Celsius and is located on the Caribbean Sea. The hotel zone is the most famous area in Cancun, which is a strip with luxury resorts and hotels. I've been walking to the end of the beach now, and as you can see, it's about 30 or 40 kilometers with just beaches and hotels stretching the whole way until the end over there. There are amazing beaches stretching for about 350 kilometers from Cancun and all the way down south to Belize. The hotel zone is very modern and exclusive, with luxury resorts and amazing beaches. I had walked to the north part of the hotel zone. In this area you have Playa Tortugas, which is where the boats go from to the famous islands Cozumel and Isla Mujeres. I've been walking here along the beach for a couple of hours now, and every single beach looks really nice and really incredible. You can rent jet skis and do all kinds of water sports in Cancun. I don't think I've ever seen more clear water than what we have here. It's like so blue. And I'm gonna go snorkeling here in a little bit. Just gonna walk along the beach and then get my snorkel and dive in. There are a lot of birds in Cancun, and if you get lucky you can see flamingos and also whale sharks between May and September. I had some really nice Mexican tacos and then decided to go for some snorkeling. I started swimming out far away from land to see some corals, but I couldn't find any. If you want to see corals in Cancun, then you're better off going in a different area. I later heard that there are rip currents in Cancun that can take people and bring them out into the ocean. But if you go far out, you have the Great Maya Reef, which is the second biggest reef in the whole world. I was not able to swim out far enough, but maybe next time. The water temperature is always warm and never goes below 26 degrees Celsius, which is about 78 Fahrenheit. The money is the Mexican pesos. 100 Mexican pesos is about $5 US, and the nightlife in Cancun has been described as an outrageous nightlife-loving city. I had a great first day in Mexico, and I had witnessed Cancun best known for its white sand beaches, near perfect weather and bright blue waters. Thank you for watching. Please leave this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.